Manogia, we understand flood water has also entered houses in Delhi NCR. The water level of the Yamuna River has crossed the danger mark after heavy rains. What can you tell us? What's the situation now?
Well, the water level is all set to rise. It is expected to increase till late night also today, more than 205.9 meters in the river Yamuna. I'm on the right bank of river Yamuna, which has Delhi. On the left bank also is Delhi. But interestingly, the iron bridge, which is the old iron bridge, which also has been shut down partially because of the rising level of Yamuna. In past 3 days, we've seen the level of water in river Yamuna has been increasing manifold, keeping in mind that there would be flood-like situation, and that's the reason why the government and the administration has made ample measures to ensure that more and more people are shifted to safer localities. We also have to understand that there has been a release of more than 3 lakh cubic of water just from Hathni Barrage, and that itself speaks, Hathni Kund Barrage, that itself speaks volumes of the levels that would be increasing. I'm in a boat here to get you exclusive pictures of the rising Yamuna level, and the water that you see it has waves. You know, it's not normal for a river Yamuna in the national capital region to have such fast high-rising waves in this region. Most of the boat operators have been asked not to operate in this region. This is, of course, the government and the assistance from the administration that has made it possible to show you the proper pictures of what exactly is happening on ground. Most of the people that have been shifted to safer locations have said that they have been provided with essentials, but also keep in mind that there will be more challenges. If I could ask my camera person Pooja to show you the pictures of the bridge, the iron bridge that itself is here to give you an idea. The metro rail, of course, that connects, it's called the lifeline of Delhi, but with that the traffic which is expected to stop after 5 p.m. Giving you an idea of the entire picture here in river Yamuna. Usually there are not flood-like situations that have happened this year, but the government and the administration states that they are prepared for almost all measures possible. The weather has been not friendly with us, rather we would say that there are incessant rains that would be also playing havoc in the entire region, expected to increase in next few hours, and that itself means because the water that has been released from the Hathni Barrage will be taking around 40 hours to reach national capital region, which itself speaks volumes. The rainfall is continuously there, and it is here to stay for next 2 to 3 days. So you could imagine, and that's the reason with the pictures that we saw of Gurugram and also a lot of traffic snarls in Delhi. There are regions where the government, especially in Haryana, has advised people to stay indoors, do and prefer work from home, and the schools that have been asked to have online classes. Remember, these are important measures that the government is trying to take both in Delhi and in Haryana. Even in Uttarakhand and surrounding areas, there have been severe landslides that have been one of the major reasons for this increase of water level here in Yamuna. If I could show you the pictures, this is the signature bridge, and with that the entire region that you see behind me has a water level of more than 205.9 meters. So what is the threat level or the danger level that you would see in Yamuna? It's usually 205.3 meters. That itself states that people have to be shifted to safer regions. That's the reason why the government has ensured all that. But this year has been a little different from other years, where we have seen since 1947 there have been almost 5 to 7 instances of flooding of Delhi. However, the drainage system, the government says, has been worked upon to ensure that there's not enough waterlogging in areas like Minto Bridge and other areas. But however, Yamuna, of course, both the banks have been cleared to ensure that the least number of people, especially a lot of agriculture land in this and surrounding areas, and a lot of people who stay here and in surrounding areas, these are not high level or high altitude building areas, but these are very important areas, and that's the reason why it's so important to shift people from here to safer location. That has to be kept in mind on when they are staying here, that just an increase of 1 meter of water level would be flooding, and there are a lot of areas that
Manogia, that's the priority of the Delhi government. We understand at this point in time. What is it? What option does the government really have as we speak? Okay, Manogia, if you're able to hear me. The government, of course, is keeping an eye on the situation at the moment. Water levels have increased, and you're saying this is not normal. This is something that is different from what is being seen from the rest of the years. But the situation is being monitored by the government. And what is it that the government can do at best? people are being shifted from their homes. How many people would you say, how many homes or areas that you can see around the Yamuna river from where we understand people need to be shifted? Is that all being taken care of?
Well, there are multiple shelters that have been made in Mayur Vihar and surrounding areas because these are the low-lying areas and these are the agricultural land, smaller agricultural lands. These are not necessarily where you have a sparse of land where there is agriculture work being conducted. But of course, these are smaller areas, and however, there are a lot of camps, the smaller camps, or even people of low or really low income who stay here in this part of the city, and that's the reason why they have been shifted. The entire bank that you see around Mayur Vihar area, or even around Shastri Park and other areas where the government has been ensuring that even if there are not these temporary camps, they are shifted to buildings or those temporary shelters that have been made for this purpose itself. The number of people is expected to increase because it's raining and the city has been seeing waterlogging in different parts. The government says, even the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta was here around the bridge in the afternoon today to just get a recce and get an idea of the ground situation and the preparedness that they have done. The administration has assured the people of. Well, it remains to be seen in next 24 hours, and here the rain god seems to be bestowing with too much of rain this time, and so everyone has to gear up and ensure that they are safe and secure wherever they are.